Drove out to the ranch this afternoon. Beautiful sunny afternoon down M66. Nice drive. Decided to cut into Fife Lake. Had to dump some recyclables in there. So anyways, did a little video. Drove up and down the road there a little bit. Did a little aerial footage. Fife Lake is a town of approximately 500 people. The lake itself is around 600 acres. The deepest point is approximately 55 feet deep. There are 2 islands on the lake. It's a great all sports lake. Ice fishing in the winter, swimming in the summer, campgrounds nearby, and skiing and things like that. So a couple good little restaurants in town, ice cream shop. So it's a cool little place to ride motorcycle to, drive the convertible to, camp nearby, or snowmobile to. So check Fife Lake out and support the sleepy little town. Fun little place to take a summer drive to. Also, they have one of the best fish fries on the first Friday of the month at the Fife Lake American Legion. So thanks for watching the Adventure Roads YouTube videos. Please subscribe, hit like, hit that bell for notifications for the next videos, and thank you for watching.